what ingredients do we need to make slime?
This one.
What is this?
Glue.
Glue. What else?
Another glue.
Yes, this is another brand. Okay, what else?
We have water.
Lens solution,
And
baking soda,
and a bowl and a stick.
stick. Exactly. So you need glue, this type of glue. Okay, this is a generic brand, but it says slime, right? It has to say slime on the label.
Yes.
A very famous brand for slime is Elmer's glue, but this generic brand will do it too. Be careful, because we tried to make slime, remember, with these.
Yes.
Did it work?
No.
It was a disaster. It
Yeah.
didn't work, right? So make sure the label says slime, suitable for slime. Okay, so baking soda is something you can find in your kitchen because it is used to bake cakes, right? And lens solution is something maybe your parents have if they wear contact lenses. Or otherwise, you can find it at the grocery store. It's very easy. And a little bit of water, a stick, because then we're gonna mix in the bowl, okay? And that's it, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I've already prepared the baking soda here. See?
And we're gonna put this.
Right, so first we're gonna pour some glue in the bowl.
All done. Now we need all this.
Is that enough glue? Okay, so a little bit. A little bit of baking soda. Very good, very good. And now we need, yeah, I think that's enough. Contact solution.
Yeah.
I think you need to put a little more, right? So go ahead. Okay. So you put glue
Yeah.
about this amount.
Yes.
You can put more, right? Then it depends on quantities. So a little bit, maybe half a spoonful
Yes.
of baking soda, and then yeah, a little bit like a little bit of lens solution like this,
Yeah.
and that's it. And then you have to stir. Okay, that's very important. Stir, 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 because you need the chemical reaction to happen. So how is it going? All right, so now
Yes.
it's good, I think. What's the next step?
We have to get it in our hands and stretch it a little bit.
Yes,
And
it's all sticky.
yeah.
It's okay. That's how it's supposed to be. And so by stretching it and rolling it in your hands, it's gonna get a more slimy texture, right?
Yes.
Let me know if you need help, okay? You need help? Yeah. It gets all sticky. You don't like it, do you, when it's like that? If you didn't get the right texture, sometimes it might help to add a little bit more lens solution or a little more baking soda, or sometimes it can also help to just put your fingertips like that in the water and then keep working the slime. Okay, so you keep working the slime and you just a little bit of water on your fingertips, and you're good to go. Yeah. And you can play with it. It's very relaxing, right? Yeah. Okay, so that's one type of slime. It won't last long, right? This is the generic one. It won't last long. But the other day I was at the store and I found Elmer's glue, as I said before, and this special.
For me.
Yeah, no, it was for you. It was for you. Magical liquid from Elmer's glue as well. So this is the glue, just like this one. But this is supposed to replace the lens solution. Maybe it works better, you know? So I thought we'd give it a try with you and see how well it works. Okay, I think it's time to use our hands and get them all sticky and slimy. Are you ready for that? Yeah? Go ahead, go ahead. You see, if you keep stirring like this, it's coming off the walls easily. And now, ooh! But that's part of the process, don't worry. Keep doing it. Keep rolling and stretching. Look at that, it's coming together, you guys. Oh, it's good. And it's beautiful. This one is like metallic, yeah?
Yeah, do me please. Oh, yay! Celui-là, c'est celle qu'on peut tirer plus, hein?
Yes, we're in a trilingual household here, so can you say it in English for them?
It's so beautiful and slimy and shiny.
Yeah, it's the best one yet. The verdict is to play. This is fine with contact lens solution, generic glue, and baking soda. But if you can spare a little money for this project, you can buy Elmer's glue and Elmer's magical liquid, and it does wonders. It's beautiful. All right, guys, this was our slime experiment.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye bye. See you tomorrow.